In this video, we will be going over a trick to multiply any number by 11 and determine its value. So if we had 11 times any number, in this case 123,456. So just to get started, we copy 1 from here and we copy the 6 from here. This number right here is 6 digits, but the resulting value will be 7 digits plus 1. So we copy the 1, we copy the 6, and we need 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next step, you take the 1 and the 2 and you add it. Then you take the 2 and the 3 and you add it. 3 and the 4 you add, 4 and 5 you add, and 5 and 6 you add, like this. So 1 from here, 6 from here, and then you have a set. 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, and 5 and 6. The next step is to add up these numbers. 5 and 6 is 11, 4 and 5 is 9, 3 and 4 is 7, 2 and 3 is 5, and 1 and 2 is 3. If a number in the parentheses is 10 or above, you need to do a special thing. You keep the unit digit, so the 1 here, and you transfer a 1 over here. 9 plus 1 is 10. You keep the single digit, you have a 0, and you transfer the 1 to this side. 7 plus 1 is 8. So now you'll get 6, 1, 0, 8, 5, 3, 1. So if you multiply 11 times 123,456, you would get 1,358,016. We'll do another example that'll be more simple, but it'll be easier to understand. 11 times 57. So the first thing you need to do is keep the 5 and you keep the 7, and you will have another number. This is 2 digits. This will have to be 3 digits. So then you need to add 5 and 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. It's greater than 10. You carry the 1 over. 5 plus 1 is 6. 2, 7. So 627. 11 times 57 is 627. Another one. 11 times 34. You keep the 3, you keep the 4, and you'll have another middle term. This is 2 numbers. You need to have 3 numbers. So you do 3 plus 4 is 7. That's it. 374. 11 times 34 is 374. And that pretty much covers the trick to multiply any number by 11 and determine its resulting value.